Hello and welcome to Last Barbecue. Let's make some keto pancakes. Recipe in the description box below. Simple way is, as always, mix the wet ingredients, in this case eggs, melted butter and cream cheese. Then mix the dry ingredients, almond flour, psyllium husk, baking powder, a dash of salt and the zest of 1 lime. Mix it all together and then add that to the wet ingredients. Once it's thoroughly combined, let it stand for about 10 minutes to thicken up before starting to fry the pancakes. So I'm melting a little bit of butter and adding a dollop of the cream, about maybe a quarter cup, slightly less. It's a little bit thick, so you have to shape it, but it works nice. Once it starts to firm up, add a few berries and it's time for flipping. And this is what it looks like. It looks just like a pancake. Okay, a dollop of cream and time for a taste test. There we go, another type of pancake with some cream and some blueberries. Let's try it. That's really good. Fluffy, tasty, really tasty. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.